Quit giving me kisses.
Move.
Baby! Baby, that is decoration. Oh no, that's for the... You're naughty.
Oh.
Where'd you find that?
But it works. It's gonna fix your toe.
It's not my toe that...
Put your foot in it.
Well, oh. Is it too hot?
I don't know. It shouldn't be that bad. But it shouldn't.
It's kind of hot,
Put
booby.
your foot in there and be quiet. Put it in the water. All the way in.
Look at Mia. She's like, what's going on? Mia, what's Daddy doing to Mama? Ow, it's burning my toes off.
It'll be okay.
No, it's not. It hurt.
It's not even that hot.
It is. Ow! It
Maybe I can
hurts.
have my hand in there. It's not that hot.
I'm a girl. Oh my goodness, look how cute that one over there. Oh
This is going to help get stuff out.
It's not going to get the calcium out of my foot.
No, it does. It helps break it down. This is what it does. If you keep your foot in the water.
But it's hot, man.
I know, but you'll get used to it.
Ugh, look at those two. Mia, are you like a little crazy goat? Stella? Stella, what are you doing? I always like to show my babies, my girls. Hi, my sweet baby. Oh my goodness. Hi, honey. Mia, you having fun? You're making a little mess over there. Hi, honey. Oh my goodness. So that's Mia playing with the toys. Oh shoot, I forgot to go get her a bed. Oh my goodness. Look at that baby. I love my girls. That little one drives me nuts though. She drives me nuts. So I've been getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning almost every day because Mia, the baby, the puppy, my husband puts her in the bed with me and then she starts crying because she wants to be out with Stella. She does not like to be away from Stella. So I get up every morning at 6 o'clock now because Mia wants to have playtime that early. So anyway, I think I told you last week that I had plantar fasciitis. I believe, I'm not saying that correctly, but it turns out I have heel spurs, which is just as bad as the plantars. So last night my foot was killing me where I couldn't walk. I literally crawled to the bathroom last night. My husband went to bed. I had to go to the bathroom. He propped me up on the couch and everything, and I literally crawled to the bathroom because it hurt so bad. And I went to work, and my foot is killing me now. And I tried to make a doctor's appointment, but they're not. They don't have anything open till next week. So they told me to go to, what is it called? A Central Care, but I don't want to go to Central Care because the last 2 times I had to go to Central Care, they didn't do anything for me, and they told me to just wait to go to my regular doctor, which I'm thinking it's a heel spur, so I don't think they're going to be able to do anything for me. So I'm going to have to wait until next week to go to the doctor, and I've been buying Clark shoes and aerosols and all kinds of like stuff to put in my shoe. I've been buying the stuff from Amazon to, help when I'm walking barefoot, which I kind of try not to do. So I've been trying to do all this stuff. My husband bought like this lavender soap because they said it was good. Putting vinegar with, all kinds of stuff we're trying right now. And it's my fault. I waited a week, but really can't really do anything till you go to the doctor. So yeah, yesterday I could have probably gone, but not really because they said that they're booked out for another week and a half. So I couldn't even go to the doctor anyway if I wanted to because I was off yesterday. So I just kind of laid around and played with makeup. So yeah, it's very painful. If you have that and if you have some kind of remedies or something that I could try, please let me know because I'm kind of dying. So I'm sitting here on the chair. I've been sitting here since I got home because I can't get up because my foot hurts so bad. Look at those two. Look at that crazy puppy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that crazy little girl. Stella, you love chomping on your tennis ball. You're so funny. Stella. Hi, Stella. Hi, honey. You're like a little pain. She's oh my goodness. Stella, she's wild. That girl, she does this all day, every day, starting at 6 in the morning. Loves to play. I forgot what it's like to have a puppy. But you know what? I do love it. Oh. Thank you, Booby. Mm-hmm.
Get that nose out of here.
She's curious. Okay, so everybody's eating. Stella? Mia! Why are you eating Stella's food? That's naughty. Mia, I'm sorry, Stella. Mom, oh, poor Stella. Mia, get away from her food. Move your booty, Nina. Move your booty. Mia, just naughty. Why are you eating her food? Here you go. And why are you letting her, you silly girl? Here you go, baby. Told you that's a naughty puppy. Mia, do not eat her food. She's gonna bite you. Mia, come here, baby. Come over here, Mia. Mia, come here. Mia, you're not supposed to eat your sister's food. No, you come here, little girl. Ugh. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. I just look at that one. Oh my god, that puppy. Oh my goodness, I know. Mama brought you home a pain in the butt, didn't I? Mia! Mia, come here, baby. It's like I'm always yelling at her. Little girl. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with you? Nina's a middle child, so I have to give her extra love, poor thing. Oh my goodness, look at that chubba chubba. No. No, little girl, come here. Come here, Mia. All right, I gotta find something to wear for work. Come on, little girl. I already made my bed. I always have to get up and make the bed. Oh, I did pull something else. See, I told you I forget everything. Because I opened these windows up. My husband's Easter basket's still sitting there. I think I want to buy new curtains today for the living room. Okay, so I'm going to wear this dress. It's so cute from Free People. I love Free People dresses. The only problem is I'm afraid that I'm going to get it dirty with makeup because somehow I always manage to get makeup all over the place. But this is like one of my favorite dresses because it's just really big and loose. And I'm a large and I had to buy this in a small. So if you ever buy any loose dresses from Free People, make sure you get like the smalls because I'm going to lay this down so you can see how much fabric is on there. Look at all that fabric. Like 3 of us could fit in there. But it is so cute. So yes, definitely Free People, one of my favorites. And I want to show you my shoes that my hubby bought me. And they're from Clark's. I have to put them up here because me will eat them. How cute are these shoes from Clark's? I mean, they're getting a little fancier with the shoes. How cute are those? I mean, Clark's shoes are not really the most attractive shoes, but I'll start with those. I know those aren't as good as the other ones, but they're not so cute that I can't wear them. All right, so I want to show you guys what I use with for my face sometimes. Well, most of the time I use Summer Fridays. I talk about this all the time. Then I have Summer Fridays, the overtime. So this is the jet lag overtime. Okay, so I also use pineapple seed brightening serum. And then I use a confidence in a cream sometimes. And then I really love this Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve face cream. Sometimes I use a Farmacy Clean Bee. And then I have the Olehenriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. And then I love to use like this Pixie Glow Toner. And then sometimes I'll use this Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Mask by Korres Wild Rose. Okay, and I've mentioned this before, the Burts Bees Renewal Refining Cleanser is so good. Then sometimes I'll use my La Mer. This is amazing, a little on the pricey side, but I've been using it for a really long time and I love it. And then I also have here the Sunday O'Reilly, and this is the Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. And then what else do I have here? Sometimes I'll use this little guy right here. And then, of course, I have the Farmacy, and this is the Do It All. And this stuff is amazing on the skin. It will keep your skin nice and bright. And then I also have these masks that I buy at Target that I really like, the Mighty Marshmallow. And then we have the watermelon, and these are by Bliss, and they're so, so good. So I got my business cards for weddings yesterday, and I got these cute little postcards. And this is one of my brides, and she's so pretty, and she just looks so classic. So I wanted to put her in the front, and she has magnolias, which I really love. And then this is a card right here. My husband designed it. I think he did like a great job. And the name of it is Bridal Beauty and Beyond. You can find us on Facebook, but I just think he did a great job. And in the back, he put our information. So I was very happy to get those. Okay, so now I have to get ready for work. I didn't have a lot of exciting things going on this weekend. Some of the photographers are out of town for vacation, but I do have a lot of my clients that are like a private, where I get them ready for like lunch. I know I get some ready for lunch or for parties or for dinners. And I have one that I'm getting ready. She's going to be speaking at like the premiere makeup show, so I'll be going to that. So I'm very excited, but I'm kind of worried because of my stupid foot. But yeah, so I'll be doing that. So nothing really excited this weekend because everybody's kind of on vacation, but I wanted to show you this brush by Becca. You've seen me using it in the last couple of videos. This is like the most amazing brush. It's a goat hair, like high-end goat hair, and it takes 2 seconds to put, I need to wash it, but it takes 2 seconds to put foundation on. It makes your powder look completely airbrush when you apply it with this brush, and it is just like a great little thing. It is available on Amazon. I did see it on, where did I see it? I saw it on eBay, so just to let you know about that. Anyway, that's it. I think I'm going to go get ready for work, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.